All right, guys, we have another question here from Faith Williamson, and I'm just going to read out her email. It's a bit of a longer one. Hi, so I guess this is more of a personal relationship question. Let me know if you can help. Sorry it's so long. My name is Faith. I'm 25 years old. So far, every relationship I've had has been very rough. For some reason, I can never be mad at my significant other. I always end up feeling bad for the physical, mental abuse they have put me through. I know I respect myself and love who I am, but I always find excuses for them, I think. Later on, after the breakups, I always feel like I did 100% of everything right. Maybe it's the fact that both my relationships were with guys who hated themselves. But it's so odd because they were so good looking. Physique, body, style, and overall just seemed like solid people. But behind closed doors, I felt so much pain. I guess what I'm trying to ask is, shouldn't I be mad? These people really hurt me, physically putting me through pain and messing with my mind to the point where it almost felt like I was a robot. But my recent ex, I actually felt like apologizing to him, telling him that I was sorry I couldn't be better for his heart and his lack of happiness. I really do pray for his healing and just want to know he's happy. But why is it that I feel so sorry instead of mad for what he did to me? I'm so confused. Anyways, if you do get around to this long message, please know that I appreciate you. I haven't been able to tell anyone about this abuse, so your TikTok has just kind of allowed me to prevent and get some things off my chest. Faith. Well, Faith, thank you so much for confiding in me in this format to tell me a bit about your situation, yourself, and the suffering and the pain that you've been through. I really appreciate you opening up to me in this kind of informal way, so thank you. First off, I want to say, I can't say that you're doing everything right because I just don't know, but from your email, it seems that your intent is 100% rooted in your heart and your empathy and the true kindness for those around you. When you think about actions, they come from intention, and your intentions are all good. So I'm not saying to never doubt or question the things you do, because yeah, maybe you could be better in XYZ, I don't know. But when you have intentions as pure and as kind as you do, you almost can't go wrong. And there is no excuse for what these guys did to you, physical, mental. Nobody deserves that. Not you, not anyone. That is something that is a reflection of themselves. I know you didn't say it, but just for anyone watching, anything that anyone does is a reflection of themselves, not you. And for these guys in particular, they hated themselves for whatever reason, I don't know. Maybe their upbringing was terrible and they masked it with good physiques and overall good looking, nice style because they want to hide something. I don't know, could be anything. But they have something that they're dealing with that they are now projecting onto you and potentially others, right? So the pain that they're going through is not a reflection of your actions or your intent. But I can see why you would maybe feel sorry for these guys and want to apologize that you couldn't be everything that they wanted. And that's a really sorry, not that it really is, but it can be a very tough place to come from because now you're taking on the burden of their pain. And the pain that they're causing you, you're taking that on as, oh, like, why? I just wish you could be better so that you wouldn't do this to me. First of all, you are not responsible for anyone's happiness but your own. Gotta remember that. It is their own responsibility to find their own happiness. And I think that's why you feel sorry for them, because you might be taking on their happiness as your responsibility, your chore, something you have to maintain, something you have to give them. That's not true. And when you do that, you take on their pain. It's now your fault. You know, you're putting the blame on yourself for the things that they do and the things that they feel, which likely have nothing to do with you. And I don't want you to change because, you know, you're a kind soul, you're pure, your intentions are great, you just want everyone to be happy, and you're empathetic towards them. You feel bad when they are projecting their pain onto you and others. Like those are qualities of an amazing person. Don't change that. The only thing I would suggest or invite you to do is to take a look at who you're inviting into your life and who you're allowing to hurt you. Really, no one should be able to hurt you. But in this case, you are allowing people to project their pain onto you, and it's affecting you negatively. Like, I don't want to hear from you saying that you feel sorry for the guys that are hurting you mentally and physically. Like, that doesn't make sense. You may be looking for men that need to be fixed. The thing is, it's on them to fix themselves. You can help them, but there is no reason that you should be taking the the shit, the negative side of them trying to fix themselves. Or maybe they're not trying to fix themselves and they're just dysfunctional, shitty people. Understand where your sorrow for them is coming from. Why are you allowing them to do this? Are you trying to fix them? I wouldn't look at yourself as to what you did wrong with these people in particular. I would look more as to where can I improve and where can I filter my life partners better? Because guys who are in pain, they shouldn't be in relationships like that. Like, you need to be a whole person before you come together with another whole person. You can't have half and half trying to become whole together. That just doesn't make sense. The way I see it is 1 + 1 = 3, not 2. It's 1 + 1, two whole people come together and create something totally new. But when you're broken or hurt or suffering, it's hard to come out of that and become a whole person. But that's a self journey. That is not something that you should be pulling them out of the depths of their own pain and suffering. And they shouldn't be dragging you down with them either. I think moving forward, the main focus for you is to, take a deeper, harder look at the people you allow into your life and open up to and become vulnerable to. And also focus on becoming your best self for that person, but not to fix that person. The best thing you can do for your partner is to be your best self. Your positivity, your productivity, your ambition, your goal, your drive, your energy, your excitement, that should all radiate out from you and be absorbed by them, and hopefully it can bring them up without pulling you down. I really hope that helps, and I really hope that you are never hurt again, because that is not fair, that is not fun, it's not right. And I really hope that things turn around for you and these other guys that are out of your life now. But yeah, all the best. I really hope that helped. Just a little bit of perspective there, but yeah, hopefully we'll see you on the other side better than ever with the guy of your dreams. I don't know. Okay, catch you later, guys. Bye.